Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you a midweek stock market update. We're going to go over the charts, break down some support and resistance levels, look at the VIX, and talk about where we see the market moving forward. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know when we release new content. So let's dive right on into it, guys. We're looking at the S&P 500, and we kind of took a dump later in the back half of the day. It looked like we were things were kind of looking up, and then all of a sudden, boom, we just had a big pullback. And I don't think we're done yet. I think we see a little bit more red tomorrow, and then eventually start turning around at the back half of the day on Thursday or maybe even Friday. But in my opinion, I think that we might see a little bit more red tomorrow, but of course I could be completely wrong, who knows. But that's just kind of what I'm seeing right now. So because we're not quite at undervalued just yet, but we're getting close to that. And also on the MACD, we are in an aggressive bearish pattern, so we'll just have to kind of wait and see what happens to that. So we'll look at the VIX on the back end of things. We're going to look at our plays on the front end, just kind of check them out and see what they're doing for the week. IDEX was the first one, and man, this thing just got beat up like it stole something, and started to kind of make a little rally back today up to about 224, pulled back down to the teens. So not sure exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. If the market keeps pulling back tomorrow, this will fall back down. We start coming back up. This should kind of eventually make its way back up as well, but you know, it is what it is. So kind of an off week for sure this week. Second one we talked about was WISH, W-I-S-H, and we talked about these levels would be some good buying opportunities for a swing play. If you'd have got in here, you could have rode it up to a little over $7, but again, it pulled right back down. As long as it finds support at this level at about 650, and may consolidate around here until we make a bigger move to the upside, but not sure if we're going to see much movement this week off of it. And then last one, guys, was IQST, and we did get a buy signal late in the day today, but overall we're really not doing much. I really need to see this thing get above 50 cents and hold in order to be convinced that we're going to move higher and retest that dollar mark. Other than that, we might fall back down, and kind of crazy to think might test 20 cents if it continues to just kind of bleed out here. So we'll have to kind of just wait and see exactly what happens off of it. So let's go ahead and take a look, guys, at the VIX, and we're going to look and see what that looks like, and also the Fear and Greed Index. Alright, guys, so looking at VIXCentral.com, as you see here, the VIX is 21.57. Anytime it's under 20, I feel pretty good about the market. It's kind of cruising along, doing its thing. Anytime it gets above 20, it's kind of, in my opinion, kind of something to keep an eye on, just to kind of monitor. This number here is still positive. We actually were at about 240, 2.40 at one point, then pulled back to 1.20. So that shows that we had a decent amount of selling off for the day. So next we're going to look at the Fear and Greed Index. Alright, guys, we show here that we are actually in extreme fear, okay? Extreme fear. So typically in these situations here, these will create some really good buying opportunities, because eventually this little lever will swing back and try to work its way back into that green. But we could, like I said, go lower and come down a little bit further, but we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see exactly what happens. So let me know how you're doing this week, guys. I know I'm not doing too hot. I didn't even log into my account the last 2 days. I'm just kind of letting everything do its thing and hopefully get out of this week alive, put a band-aid on the bleeding, and move on into the next week. So just checking in, giving you an update. Let me know how your week's going. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. Alright, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.